Alright guys, what's up? We are now gonna check out the Lumen, the fat metabolizer. Alright guys, so I saw in the intro, we're looking at the Lumen device. It's not a fat metabolizer. What it does track though is your metabolism. It tracks your ability to metabolize fat as energy versus glucose as energy. So I'm like super excited about this because as you know, I'm definitely not an affiliate of most ketone meters. Why? Because I'm really not into chasing ketones. I think there's a lot of nuance biologically to what ketones look like, especially once you become fat adapted. So I'm super excited about this device, and they decided to go on the quest with me to share this with you guys. So you can use code TheKetoRoad for a discount, and I'm super excited to share that with you guys. If you want to go on this journey with me, if you want to weight off and see what it looks like, totally feel free to do that as well. But we are now going to show you how to set it up. So, kind of show you what's inside. We've got the device. This is the Lumen device. There's no replace cartridge. So once you pay for this thing, you're done. No more refills like other ketone breath meters. Click, it's on. This is the device. The box also comes with a charger, a carrier, and a cord. Okay. You use the QR code in here, right there, to get the app, or you can just look up Lumen on your phone, and then the Lumen app is here. So we're gonna log in.
A healthy metabolism is important for sustainable weight loss, improved athletic performance, and long-term health. Like you,
All right, we're gonna add in our details. The name, Jonathan Shane. The Keto Road. Oh, it wants you to, so one thing it wants you to do, I don't know if you can see this. It wants you to add in, it might be too bright. It might not auto, oh, there we go. It wants you to add in the days of the week and what you do on those days to give it a rough idea of what you do. So I think that's sick. There, it wants you to track your sleep. So it's gonna track your sleep, that's sick. I was asking about low carb diets. I already like this thing. Metabolic insights, nutrition tracking, weight maintenance, personal motivation. You can choose weight loss if you'd like. I think that's kind of cool. Here we go. So those are the settings. Okay, so you can choose metabolic health, healthy weight loss, or fitness performance. I'm gonna choose fitness performance. I don't really care about being metabolically flexible per se. What is your goal? Increased endurance. Duh. Daily protein 1.8 per kilogram of body weight. That's not bad. That's like 150 grams of protein a day. I can do that. Let's get connected. Now we're gonna connect. We're gonna connect to Lumen. We're gonna hit that power button. Here we go. Boom. It's connected. Ta-da! So we take the lid off. We're taking it for a spin. Here we go. Here we go. I'm super excited about this. It's initializing the device. How do you clean this thing?
Few moments later.
Oh, sorry. It's telling me I need to breathe. That's on me. Okay, so you're supposed to inhale and exhale through the device. Lumen breath requires certain force. Okay. Apparently it wants us to blow harder. Is that what I wanted? Do you have to blow harder than that? Dude. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try it one more time. What? You gotta blow harder than that. Okay, apparently it's done. Apparently I was blowing into it for no reason. Okay, here we go.
Lumen has created a unique way to measure your metabolism all just from your breath. It takes a bit of practice, but we've made it easy. You'll need to follow these 4 steps. Inhale deeply through your lumen.
Relax.
hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
Interesting. It put me at lumen level 3. Nice. You're burning both carbs and fat. Interesting. So, a level 3 is you're burning 42 to 60% fat. So within that range, right around that midway range. Interesting. I ate today already. I'd be really interested to see what this is in the morning. This is fascinating. So level 4 is 60 to 77% fat, and then level 5 is 80 to 100% fat. I definitely think, level 3 is 42 to 60% fat. Level 3 is 42 to 60% fat. Level 2 is 63 to 80% fat, and level 1 is 84 to 100% fat. I would definitely say waking up fasted in the morning, number 2 is definitely going to be your goal. And if you could get number 2 throughout the day, that would be great too. But I definitely think like that 60% range isn't bad for after being fed. Of course, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just got this thing. But it's interesting. So as of right now, I'm at a level 3. Let's see what it does again. I'm going to test it one more time. Let's see. If it does hit number 2, then it might just be that I was right in the... Nope. It's got me at level 3 again. This thing is consistent. All right. Now we have an idea. Okay. Cool. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's see. This is exciting. Guys, this is sick. I definitely encourage you to jump on this bandwagon for me. All right. That's it for this video. The next couple vlogs, we're going to be going for a ride. This versus blood ketones. I'll see you there. Guys, so I know it's supposed to be the end of the video, but I couldn't help it. I checked an hour later, so about 2 hours post last meal. Boom! 2. Look at that, burning mostly fat. This is going to be an exciting adventure.